Hi, my name is Jenny and these are my 24 shots. So we have full shot. It shows the subject fully from head to toe. And then we have the medium shot. Waist shot is captured at a medium distance from the subject. In close-up, it focuses on the actor's face. The spin shot, it spins around the subject. Low angle, the camera is positioned low and looking up. A high level, the camera looks down on the subject. Eye level refers to when the level of the camera is placed at the same height as the eyes of the actor. Overhead, the camera goes above the actor's head. Dutch angle. Point of view shows what the actor is looking at. Pan, it moves horizontally. Tilt, the camera stays in a fixed position but rotates up and down in the vertical plane. Dolly, camera is mounted on a dolly and records the shot as it moves. Tracking, moves alongside the subject being recorded. Handheld, you hold the camera while recording. Deep focus includes foreground, middle ground, and background objects all in focus. Shallow focus, the camera is focused on the subject and it blurs the background. Wide angle, it shows the entire object and its surroundings. Telephoto, isolating the subject from the background. Normal is just a regular shot. Zoom, zooms in to get a closer look of the subject. Boom.